Alright folks, taking a little walk. It's a windy day here. Taking a little walk, wife number one, head over to the market. It's coming across the bridge. Fatima is looking so beautiful today. My goodness, she's a pretty girl today. I love it when she wears that orange shirt and them Daisy Dukes, puts her hair down. She's so kind of beautiful. Go over Mount Riot, the sun's shining on it. Hey buddy, how are you? $510 pesos for 10 hours. You want to go take a little break? You're the one who said 10 hours, baby. This trash is like embedded into this hillside here. You got another little stream running right there. I don't like this bridge, it bounces too much. Hello.
You can go here,
Oh, they got those little small bottles of Coke. I like those. Those are great for mixers because they don't go flat. Hello. A little busy area here at this intersection. Oh yeah, rocking it out in there welding. Let's go, let's go. Watch out, Fatima, the police gonna get you. Just get in the back of that van, baby. They're looking for you.
The police is in there.
Yeah, the police is there, but they're just making the traffic go that way, baby.
So if we walk, we can go there?
Yeah, we can go there. Look, see, watch the Ati in the bicycle. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We'll go over here by the coconuts, baby. Honey, don't worry, they're not gonna get you. Fatima, if she sees a sign that says "Do not enter," she will not enter. So she was reading that right there that said "Do not enter." She's scared shitless. Gentlemen, got the coconuts going on. Might have to pick some coconuts up on the way out of here. Got some clothes. We're just cut right through the middle of this clothes shop. 75 pesos. And past a little auto or motorcycle auto parts shop. Alright, we got the market over here on the right.
Sure, yes, we can go there.
Let's go, baby. Stop reading the signs and come on. Let's go, baby. Stop reading the signs. Let's go. Fuck them signs. Signs, signs everywhere. The signs. Fucking up the scenery. Oh, yeah. Baby, we're not getting a tricycle. We're gonna get some vegetables and we're walking home. No, that's not the vegetable area. Oh, it's Fatima. Fatima, she follows all the damn rules. Face mask, face shield. If she sees a sign that says do not enter or go this way, she's gonna go that way. Usually supposed to get here in the morning, but it looks like they just got fresh deliveries of everything. Coming straight off the jeepney right now, still in the bags. Wow, look at those sweet potatoes. All kind of action going on in the afternoon. I'm following you, baby. The normal lady's closed up, so we may have to just take a walk out here. Walk out here in the sunshine. Where's the broccoli, baby? All right, let's go on a hunt for this. No. Let's go see if we can find our normal lady. I'm gonna tell you why.
I know.
You saw that broccoli, right? All the stalk was wrapped up on that broccoli with 1,000,000 rubber bands and newspaper, just adding to the weight. That's how they normally sell broccoli here in the Philippines, but our lady over here don't do it like that. And she may be closed for the moment. We may have just come at the wrong time. But I'm not paying for a kilo of rubber bands and newspaper on my broccoli. It's not gonna happen. Alright, so like around the back of the market or inside the market. Come on, baby, we'll cut through. Everything's closed. So that is good information. Pretty much this market is a morning. Afternoon it shuts down, turns into a ghost town. Baby, what I'm thinking is there could be an Oswald. Honey, don't get too far away from me, baby. It could be an Oswald in here. It's the ghost of the public market. Alright folks, so you're getting to look around the market when it's closed. I don't know if that's exciting or not. But you got all the meat, the fish, and everything back there. Ain't nothing happening. Nothing is happening. Note to self, come to the market in the morning. Alright folks, we made a command decision. We're not gonna not gonna try to do our shopping right now. Just gonna send the ladies back in the morning during prime time. Go to our normal lady who seems to have the best prices and the freshest vegetables, and she sells that broccoli the way it's supposed to be sold. But every little booth that I looked at selling broccoli, same shit. 1,000,000 rubber bands, a pound of fucking newspaper, and oh by the way, it's rotten. Fatima's on the hunt for a snack. We're not going to Apo, baby. Every Friday, all they do is complain because they want to go to Apo Market. Alright, get up there, baby. Tell us the price. Check it out. Alright, here she goes. What is that, 15 per kilo? Is that right? Sounds a little cheap, don't it? But over here you got 10 per kilo. These are 10 per kilo and those are 15. Which ones you want? You gotta eat them right now tonight. That's why they're so cheap. That's why they're so cheap, because she wants sour and these are too ripe. Oh my god, bagaon. Baby, keep moving. Pretend like you didn't see that bagaon. Alright, so too ripe for her, folks. Oh shit. Filipina want the sour and they want that bagaon. That's how they want the taste to go down. But that was so cheap, I don't know why she didn't just get a couple kilos. Damn, 20 pesos. Take about 5 kilos of those things, make a mango salsa. Hey Joe. When you hear that, folks, when they say "Hey Joe," you know, it's I hear it more in the province than I do here. But "Hey Joe," or the Americano. About what, baby? Why you said "Hey Joe"? Cause why did Kuya say "Hey Joe"? Because I'm kind of Americano. Whew, it's hot. That sun is beating down. I can't breathe out of this thing. My God. I can't fucking breathe. Alright folks, 800 pesos on this table right here. My goodness, how can I pass that up? That's 800 pesos. That's 800 pesos. 16 bucks. I might have to pick up a couple of those. This gentleman right here put them together. Might even have him make me a custom one and get a new cooking table. I like that. And folks, this is like my cooking table here. This was wider, so I'd have to have the gentleman, you know, elevate it to 36 inches, but I may do that. That would be an awesome cooking table. Let me find out the price on this man right here. This was just a flat one. This was just flat. But this is like the old cooking table because it's got the lid. 2.5. So this one is 2.5, which is about 50 bucks. And I'm gonna ask him how much to put some legs on it where he can get it up to the height that I need it. And got some beds over here. Got a chicken grill. Baby, do you think it'd be okay if we get a chicken grill and put some chickens on the balcony? Or you think the landlord might have a problem with it? Folks, they got all kind of good, oh, check out that chair. Now that might work right there. This type of chair, but get him to elevate it up so I've got like my own bar stool. And then I can make Fatima put on a bikini and serve me beer. Oh, I really like that. I'm digging that. So you got the chair, and I cannot believe these tables are only 800 pesos. Oh yeah, that's nice. You got brooms. Check out these brooms made with the cans. See, look there. They take these brooms and put them together and just use an old can and just kind of crush it. And that's how the brooms are made. Interesting. And where this guy's shop is at, it's just right here at the bridge. So we just walk from the market towards the bridge. He's right here on the left. So I gotta find out. Now that'd be a really skinny cooking table. And folks, these are like loungers, you know. But what I did, I just had them elevate the lounger and turn it into a cooking table. It's great. Disturbing, folks, but check out this little wood shop right here. Everything here is this little wood shop right next to the bridge. I may go ahead and commission him to buy or to build a new cooking table for us. And here's the roofs of these spots right here. Time to cross the bouncing bridge, baby. You ready? She don't like it when it bounces. Check out this Our Lady of Fatima. So Fatima's got her own church over here. Our Lady of Fatima Parish. Beautiful church. There you go. It's Fatima at her church. Hold on. Stand still, baby. Oh yeah. Taking the juice out of that coconut, the meat out of that coconut. So over here is a couple of chicken shacks. Oh yeah, they got the chickens fired up already. That red one and that yellow one. I don't know if the yellow one's open or not, but oh, that smell coming off of that chicken is delicious over there. What do you think, baby? You gonna get some chicken tomorrow night? Not tonight. Tomorrow night. Might get. Oh, I got some Minook over here. Some Minook right there.
Shawarma, buy one, take one.
Oh yeah, shawarma's over there. You missed something on the ground right here, baby.
Eh, that's not piso eh.
That's a peso.
No, it's not.
That's not a peso?
No. It's 25 centavos.
That's money. That's 25 centavos.
You have a virus eh. I cannot buy that one. You have a virus.
Baby, if that was a Cinco, no virus would stop you from picking it up. No virus would stop you from picking up a Cinco.
Oh yeah.
See? But
I can buy,
but since it was a centavo, you're gonna call the hibbity virus on it. My God. Our folks, Fatima's complaining because she has to carry the meat. There's a couple kilos of meat in there, maybe 6-pound bag. 5-6 pounds. She's complaining. I said, baby, I had to carry the receipt. That receipt was heavy. Plus, I got to operate this here camera. She wants to complain.